Welcome to WoW Earn. Today we'll show you how to invite friends to join mining, increase your mining power, and earn even more rewards. First, open the WoW Earn app. From the main menu, tap on Mining to access the mining page. On the mining page, tap the Invite button to access your personal invitation page. Tap Copy Link and share your unique invitation link with your friends via social media, messaging apps, or any other platform. On your friend's phone, copy the link, go to the App tab and paste it into the search bar. Then start mining. When your friends join mining through your link, your mining power will increase significantly, allowing you to earn even more. It's that simple. By inviting friends, you can quickly boost your mining power and maximize your earnings. Join WoW Earn today and start a new chapter in mining with your friends.